this is just a brief recap of your National 4 knowledge and National 5 applications knowledge. You will have seen all of these things before at some point in your mathematical career, or else you will have seen them as a part of physics, chemistry. They crop up a lot. Mean, mode, median, range, and tolerance. So your mean is what we use normally when we talk about average, and it's adding them all up and dividing by the number of values of data points that you have. So here we have 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3, all divided by 5, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of data. Do that 19, 23, 26, divided by 5, we are going to get 5.2. And that is us done. We have calculated our mean. Our mode is our most common. So if we look at these numbers, which number appears the most frequently? And it is going to be 7. Our median, that is our middle number, but we've got to be really careful with our median. It's not good enough to just take that data set as it's been given to you. You have to take that data and you have to put it in order, from lowest to highest. And as you can see, the number in the middle there is 5. So our median is 5. Next, we have our range. Now, your range is simply how far over the number line do these values stretch. So you can look at this and go, well, we're going from 3 to 7. That's 4. But mathematically, the way we guarantee we are always going to get the correct value, we're not going to make a mistake, is highest versus lowest. So our highest value is 7, our lowest value is 3. Our highest value is 7, our lowest value is 3. So that gives us the range of 4. And all that is meaning is that our numbers go across 4 values in the number line. Lastly, we've got tolerance. Now I've added tolerance in here because it becomes really important when you start thinking about what statistics really mean, okay? Because a lot of statistics, you'll get given an average value, whether that's the mean, the median, or the mode, and then you're given how far away from it is acceptable. And that's what tolerance is. It's that idea of what is acceptable on either side of a value. So here, all of our results are 5 plus or minus 2. Every single piece of data in that data set is either between 5 plus 2, 7, or 5 minus 2, 3. So all of our data is between 3 and 7. So that's the mean, the mode, the median, the range, and tolerance. Now we're going to do that for one more data set. So that's your mean, your mode, your median, your range, and tolerance. We're going to look at one more data set to make sure we're really confident in what we are doing here. So let's start with the mean. The mean, we add them all up and divide. So we've got 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3, all divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data. So you put that in your calculator. 4 plus 7 plus 3. Hit equals. And I really recommend you hit equals here, because if you don't, you risk only dividing the last number And that's when you can end up with a dodgy answer. So we've got 5.5 as our mean there. Mean mode. Well, which value is the most common? Here, we're in a situation where it's actually 2. We have both 3 and 7. There's 2 of each of them. The median. Well, we have to put all our numbers in order. So we have 3, 3, 4, 7, 7, 9. Now, what value is in the middle? As we walk in, we've got 3, 9, 3, 7. We have 4 and 7 both in the middle. In this situation, you look for the value in between the two. And the guaranteed way of getting that is 4 plus 7 divided by 2. So that's 11 over 2, 5.5. Okay? Now, perhaps you'd have been able to look at that straight away and go, well, in between 4 and 7 is 5.5. But if you've got some dodgy numbers, you're not happy with doing that, add them together and divide by 2. The range. Let's have a look at the range of this set of data. Well, again, we can logic out in our head. We're going between 3 and 9. So our range has to be 6. But here, we'll just double check it. The biggest is 9, the smallest is 3. Subtract, we get our answer is 6. Lastly, where are all our data points? And here, we'll find all of our data points are 6 plus or minus 3. So all of our data is between 6 plus 3, 9, and 6 minus 3, 3. So everything falls between 3 and 9. Now, you're not expected to find tolerances by yourself, but it is important that we understand how they work and what they mean, because it will become absolutely crucial for when we move on to National 5 level statistics.